And aircraft mechanics, the safest pilots in like town, right? In the safest planes, of course. That's right, crank up the fucking decibels, jack-offs. But once they get past, they cut the decibels. Crank it way down. You just gotta fucking terrorize us because they know that that kills people. They know it causes heart attacks and hypertension and molecular restructures and deafening, all of which causes cognitive dysfunction. And then they turn around and they call you fucking crazy after they make you fucking crazy.